We are pleased to show you the 2016 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.